welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, I'm back to show you guys a different do-it-yourself with glue sticks. I'm gonna do glitter glue sticks. I'm gonna make it on this vase that I have that I used last time on my last video that I did. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. I'll have the link right here. And I'm gonna make hearts on this vase. I'm gonna have two different vases, one a little bigger, one a little small. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, and I'm gonna have an it's gonna be an ombre effect on it. So I hope this works out. I'm gonna try this out so you guys can decorate for any event. If you're having an event or anything like that, you guys can use this idea. And I'm gonna try and make something else. So just stay on. Make sure you watch the whole video. And so yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys along, and hope you guys like this video. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe if you have not yet. Because my next thing that I'm gonna be doing is turning I already did this before, pants into a skirt, but I'm gonna use a different material and fabric to make these pants into a skirt. So that's gonna be my next video after this. So there's more to come, so make sure you guys subscribe. So I'll see you guys soon, and let's get started on this creative idea thing that I'm doing. Okay, so make sure you guys have your baby oil to cover this all up with baby oil. This is my glass vase that I have. It was a candle. And cover it with baby oil. Make sure you put enough baby oil on this. So I'm gonna go under here first. We're gonna make that under part first. So I gotta put baby oil on this. So here's my baby oil I'm gonna be using. I'm putting it on a piece of paper, and I'm just gonna go around it and cover this up with baby oil. So this is what I showed on my last video, these glitter glue sticks that I have. So the glue sticks that I'm gonna be using is red. I'm gonna be using red. This color is like a fuchsia color and a light purple. So I'm gonna start with my red. I'm gonna start on the bottom of the vase, and I'm gonna go around it. So I'm doing with the red. Just making little dots, because you have to make sure it's attached together when you bring it apart. So from those dots, I'm gonna start making the hearts. Make sure that when you do this, you have to make sure everything is attached together. So that way, so make sure you overlap the hearts onto the other glue. Okay, so I went ahead and did half a heart with the red. Make sure you attach it together, everything together. So when you take it out, it's all, it doesn't break apart or anything. So I already did half a heart, so it's like a V shape basically. And make sure, so I already did that. I'm gonna go in with the fuchsia color and make the other heart on top, make the rest of the heart. But before I do that, I have this other small vase. It's also glass. It says love on top. I don't remember where I got this from. I think it was a wedding. So with the rest of the red, because I have red glue stick left over, so I'm gonna go ahead and just make hearts all over this one. You can leave it on here as decoration, and people can take this, put candy in there, and they can take it with them. So I'm just gonna go under this. I put baby oil on it. I forgot. Yeah, I put baby oil on it, so I'm probably gonna remove it, but I'm just gonna demonstrate for you guys so you guys can see. I hope I have enough glue. You can leave it like that and then just take it out, or you can just make more hearts. Red, it can be red hearts, any color hearts you want, but it looks like I'm running out of the red. So on this one, since I made the V's, too many small V's, I'm just gonna make like a small shape in the middle in between of that. Starting to come out. I mean, my hearts are not perfect. It's the, you know, it's my first time doing this and everything. So I'm just trying my best. I'm just giving you guys an idea, bringing you guys along to this creativeness that I'm trying to do here, you know. So next, I'm gonna do the half V again with this fuchsia color, and then I'm gonna go in with the purple. You can make this as big as you want. It doesn't have, you know, you can just leave it even just a small amount or whatever. So I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do 3 colors. So there you go. I messed up though because, okay, so then I did the red, I did the fuchsia on top of the red. Then I was supposed to do fuchsia hearts, all fuchsia hearts, then do half fuchsia with purple, and yeah, so I have red with half with red and half fuchsia, and then I have half fuchsia with purple. This is not the way I wanted to do it, but I forgot, and this is how it came out. I mean, it looks okay, you know, it kind of has the effect right here. So I mean, I guess I didn't really have to add, I could have just done half and half, and I didn't really have to do like this whole thing red, and just done half and half of the colors. So that's how this came out. So just gotta wait till it cools down a little bit to remove it. So I'm gonna let it cool down. And this one I did the red and then fuchsia on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do purple. Another thing, if you know, use like a vase, or, you know, if you're not gonna remove the glue stick decoration or anything like that, you don't have to make this on the bottom. You know, you just decorate the around it and not do the bottom. This bottom is only if you're gonna remove it, so then it can have a base, you know. So if you know, if you're gonna use it to put it on a table or something like that, I mean, you don't necessarily have to actually make it, because then you can just add something under it, you know, for the base or anything. So just some ideas. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this off with the light purple hearts on here. All right, so I was able to take it all apart. Look at that. And it came out pretty good. I like the way how it's inside and everything. So there's some parts where, you know, they broke a little and stuff. I mean, that happens, I guess. So that looks nice. I like it. Pretty easy and simple to make. Put this on the table. You can put a candle in there, candy, or for stationery, for anything. So as an idea for you guys. So now I gotta finish removing this one. So you guys can see. So just like that. And this is a different shape that you guys can make. Put it as a set. I really like the ombre effect, how it came out, but you know, I really like it. It looks good. I like the way it came out. This is just an idea for you guys. First time I ever trying this or anything. I'm gonna try and make now something else, and I'm gonna try and make a ring. So I need a smaller vase, and I'm gonna see if I have something to make it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I found this. I have this nail polish that I found, and I'm gonna try and make a ring with this. I'm gonna make just hearts. It can be big, it can be small. And what I have in here is the light purple and fuchsia. So we'll see how that comes out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start making the heart. Let's see. I already put the baby oil on. There's a heart. And just like that, make hearts around it. You can decorate it however you want. You can make your own design. This is just an idea of what you guys can do. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it cool down. Let's see how that comes out. Okay, so it cooled down. So now I'm gonna start taking it apart little by little. There we go. Look at that. So making the bracelet. So some came light purple and some fuchsia, because I had both colors in the glue gun. So that came out pretty nice too. So I'm just letting it cool down to remove this. Look at that. Look at that. Like I said, you can add jewels, you can make any pattern you like. And you know, maybe if your daughter has a smaller wrist, you can use something like this, something smaller. So probably make another one, a smaller one. So I'll show you guys that. Is make a bigger heart and then a small heart and a bigger heart, like that. Okay, so it's cooled down. So I'm gonna start taking it apart. This is it for what I did today. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And I will be seeing you guys soon on my next video. So I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Bye.